Stuck outside in the rain. It just started raining outside. My neighbors are locked outside. He has a baby in his arm and he's drunk, it looks like. Now he's going to the back door. Wait, no, he's not going to the back door. He's going to the back to chill out of the rain with a baby. But she's not holding that good anymore. He has his, he has his shirt over her head. Go over there. Oh, my worst neighbor ever. Hey, we try to bring him in our home. He said hell no. So now he's stuck in the rain. That's too bad. That's just unfortunate. Go over there. Oh my god, this is terrible. Great parenting. Oh, he's coming back out. A little drunk. A little mad. So a lot of wet. Uh-oh, you're going to the window now. Oh no, dude, that window's locked. Oh darn, dude, that window's locked, man. Oh, he's about to go into a drunken rage once he gets in that home. That is so awesome. That's how we do it. West Palm Beach, Florida. We're breaking our own houses. Look at that baby. That baby about to fall out his arm. Look at that baby. Oh, that's awesome. At least the rain's stopping. Oh, that's so fucked up. Should bang harder, dude. Yeah, I obviously can't hear you. B. It's E. Oh, yeah, go back around. World Star. World Star Hip Hop. Oh, he's banging on that window. He gonna break that door back there. Oh, he's back to the front. He's drunk. Drunken rage. Yeah, hold your little sister. Hold his baby. Then he can see me. I don't care. I'm in the house, dude. What you gonna do? Come bring on my window? World Star Hip Hop. Drunken man in the rain with 2 kids and a baby. Gotta love it. Oh, dude, you already walked back there. There's no getting in back there. Hold the baby. Hold the baby. That man said, hold the baby. He about to break something back there, dude. He gonna be pissed once he gets in that home. Oh, man, he gonna be mad. He's drunk, too. And he's Guatemalan. Oh, it's a deadly combination. Hold that baby. Hold the baby. You do not want to hold that baby no more. Damn, dude. She just came over here and chilled. Could have sat under our porch. Been chilling. World Star. Hold the baby. Hold the baby.